So hello everyone, Janine Stageberg here from Passion Infused Life with the Stagebergs. And today we're talking all about exogenous ketones. What on earth are they? Why would I incorporate them into my lifestyle? And why are all ketones not created equal? So let's dig right in. So first of all, exogenous ketones are a supplement that you can use regardless of whatever lifestyle eating wise you're following. Okay. So basically what they do is they help you burn fat for fuel as opposed to glucose for fuel. So within 60 minutes, specifically the brand that I chose, within 60 minutes, you are in nutritional ketosis after drinking the ketones. So the reason why I incorporated ketones into my lifestyle is because I've got an insane schedule. For my corporate job, I'm zooming around all over creation. And not only do I need energy, I also want to be able to sustain the level of ketosis that I'm in. Because in December of 17, I started following a ketogenic lifestyle, and which is of course the moderate protein, high healthy fats, low carbohydrates. So I'm trying to stay within 20 grams or less of carbohydrates a day. And so what I found is just doing keto on my own, I was going in and out of ketosis to the point that my body was just not able to really optimize kind of that state of ketosis. So that's when a friend suggested that maybe I try some exogenous ketones. Not to allow me to cheat per se. You know, I'm not going and having potato chips or whatever, because frankly, when I do eat those things now, which I don't really crave those things, I didn't before this and I don't now, but I don't feel good when I eat them. So, but it's funny, until you know how great you feel, you kind of shift your mindset. Once you feel good and then you go back to maybe trying to eat something that isn't so great for you, it just isn't worth it, or at least that's my personal experience. So back to the ketones. So basically what I do is I drink my ketones in the morning. It not only gives me energy, I'm migraine free now, day 32, which is insane. I was getting 2 to 3 a week. I've now had 2 cycles of my menstrual cycle since I started the ketones. And both times I haven't even noticed that my period has started. Usually I have cramps that wake me up in the middle of the night. So I have also lost 7 pounds. I've gone down a pant size. And during that 32 days, I specifically did not work out. I maybe had like 4 different walks, and I think I did 1 HIIT workout with my husband within a 32-day window. So I truly just wanted to know, are these benefits truly coming from the exogenous ketones, or what's the story there? So the other thing, going back to the exogenous ketones, so the reason why I chose this brand is because it simulates that, or biomimics that, of the beta hydroxybutyrate salts that our liver produces on its own when you're in a carbohydrate restrictive state. So this is nothing artificial for your body, which is why it so willingly absorbs these ketones, and actually they're water soluble, so they're able to break the blood-brain barrier. So the benefit there is that with this particular brand, they are super bioavailable, so you're not just having expensive urine. The concentration is super therapeutic, and if you're going to get results from ketones, you're going to get results from this brand just because of the potency and that of the fact that it biomimics what our body naturally produces. So when I first saw the ketones, I looked at the color of the ones that I specifically was looking at, which is the Maui Punch, which tastes like Gatorade Fruit Punch. And they were pink, and I was like, how on earth, what is this stuff? Well, so they're flavored with essential oils. So that's where you're getting the color. So there is some erythritol and some stevia in there. But outside of that, there's no gluten, there's no artificial colors or flavors. So I feel totally confident that I'm not putting garbage into my body, because we all know then we get garbage out. So I have heard so many testimonials about how these ketones have worked so well for people that, like I said, are on their ketogenic kind of lifestyle, those that aren't, those that are eating more of a paleo type lifestyle. You don't have to incorporate the dairy if that doesn't sit well with your body. So I just want to make sure and share that too. So again, just wanted to kind of level set with the whole ketone, exogenous ketone discussion. If you have questions, reach out. I am more than happy to help. Definitely subscribe to this channel, Passion Infused Life with the Stagebergs, if you like these types of videos and this type of information, and definitely share with your community. So have a wonderful day, and I will put the referral link below for the brand that I use. Thanks, guys. Have a good day. Bye-bye.